Hello, my name is Jack and welcome to another English lesson here at Zoloterra. Today I want to look at a very important piece of grammar in English. Some parts of English grammar are very difficult, okay? A lot of vocabulary and grammar in English has so many exceptions. You can't just follow rules. The good news, though, is that the grammar we are going to look at today does follow rules. You just have to remember the rules and you will be okay with this grammar. Of course, English would not be English without two or three little things to remember. Okay, so today we're looking at comparatives and superlatives. I could explain what they are, but you probably already know good, better, the best. Good is our adjective, better is our comparative, and the best is our superlative. Like in Russian, the adjectives for good and bad are irregular when we make them comparatives. Good, better, the best. Bad, worse, the worst. One you might not remember. Far, further, the furthest. The first thing to notice here, the black, the. The superlatives in English, we are always talking about one, the best, the one single best, the one single worst. Therefore, you always use the before superlatives in English. Now, except for those three, we have some simple rules and you can form comparatives and superlatives from any other adjective in English. Any and every other adjective. All you need to do is count the number of syllables. Now, syllable is slog. So, good, bad, far, they are all one syllable, as is small and big. Easy, 2. Honest, 2. Beautiful, 3. Beautiful has 3 syllables, small, bad have 1. Okay, so the first, if an adjective has 1 syllable, small and big, all we have to do is add er or a. So small becomes smaller, big becomes bigger. And then for the superlative, instead of er, we add est, est. So small, smaller, the smallest. Big, bigger, the biggest. Hot, hotter, the hottest. Any other one-syllable adjective, the, est. That's it. Every other adjective. Now, before we move on, you might have noticed there are in fact 2 G's. Big, B-I-G, bigger, B-I-G-G-E-R. The biggest, B-I-G-G-E-S-T. This is just a spelling rule. It doesn't change the pronunciation. And it is the same spelling rule that we use to make the ing forms. Stop, stopping, 2 P's. Swim, swimming, 2 M's. How this happens is when a one-syllable word has consonant, vowel, consonant. Now a vowel is A, E, I, O, U. There are 5. A, E, I, O, U. Consonant, every other letter. So B, C, D, F, G, and so on. Big, consonant, vowel, consonant. So consonant, vowel, two consonants. So B-I-G, B-I-G-G-E-R. It's the same with hot, hotter, like I said before. H-O-T, consonant, vowel, consonant. Hotter, H-O-T-T-E-R. That aside, we now move on to two-syllable adjectives. And there is only one rule you need to really remember here, which is if the adjective ends in Y. Think present simple. I study, he studies. I study, S-T-U-D-Y, he studies, S-T-U-D-I-E-S. Again, it's that same spelling rule. So easy, like small, smaller, big, bigger, easy becomes easier and the easiest. However, the Y, goodbye Mr. Y, we have an I. So E-A-S-Y becomes E-A-S-I, then the ER or the EST. So easy, easier, the easiest. Noisy, noisier, the noisiest. Busy, busier, the busiest. This rule is for every two-syllable adjective which ends with Y. And the last rule is for any other two-syllable adjective which doesn't end with Y. So honest, modest, or two or more syllables. So 3, 4, if you want to be crazy, 5-syllable adjectives. All we need to do here, honest, beautiful, is add more for the comparative, and again remember the most for the superlative. So honest becomes more honest, the most honest. Beautiful, 3 syllables, beautiful, more beautiful, the most beautiful. Difficult, difficult, 3 syllables. So difficult, more difficult, the most difficult. And that is all you need to know about how to form comparatives and superlatives in English. In a future lesson, we will look at some structures and sentences, how we actually use comparatives and superlatives. But for today, this is all you ever need to know about forming comparatives and superlatives in English. Okay? So if you find some crazy, ridiculous adjective, yeah, like stupefying or capricious, yeah, you know, capricious, 3 syllables, more, the most. And that's it. These are the rules. Remember them. Remember the only 3 exceptions, and I will see you next time. Thank you very much.